Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to do Wi-Fi connect. So before starting this video, I would like to tell you that do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, you have to move to the setting. Then you have to press the setting. So before you connect the Wi-Fi, you need to have two phones. So I have two phones here. So you need that phones also. You have to go to the setting. So you have to press it, this connections Wi-Fi, you have to press it, this one. Then in this phone you have to press this Wi-Fi. Then you have to press this one. Then you see this Geo Fiber one. Then you see this setting. Then you have to press it, this one. Then you have to press this one, QR code. And in this phone you have to press it, this one. So you need to scan it now. So it is connected now, it is done now. So friends, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.